Binary analysis is one of the critical processes for malware analysis, vulnerability studies, and software plagiarism detection. However, this process is manually intensive. A binary can also be obfuscated or optimized into different forms, which pose great challenges to this process. Camino is an open-source binary analysis and assembly code management platform. It enables the user to create multiple repositories and index different binaries. Given a binary file under analysis, it can efficiently search for any clones of its assembly functions, even for the highly optimized or obfuscated assembly code. So how do we do it? Camino builds a neural network named Asm2Vec. It reads a large volume of assembly code and tries to understand the underlying latent dimensions. Given any code fragment, it converts it to a numeric vector that represents its uniqueness for clone search. Check out Camino today on GitHub.